let me show you guys how I made my bananas. So I went ahead and grabbed like kind of like a firm banana, you know what I'm saying? And I went ahead and peeled that bitch, and then I was like, let me get another one just in case I fuck this one up, because I'm still a beginner at these chocolate covered bananas, you guys. So you guys can take my advice or don't, because I'm also a beginner. Anyways, I just went ahead and cut these in half, because if you dip the whole fucking banana, it's like big as hell. So we not dealing with that, because what if it's light off the fucking popsicle stick or whatever. So I have these cute ass clear ones, and I was like, let me go ahead and use them because they're cute as fuck. So I always just end up grabbing some chocolate and then sliding it into the banana. And after that step, I just went ahead and popped them in the fridge for like 10 minutes. And then I got to dipping. They came out beautiful. And it's super easy actually after you put them in the freezer for a bit. Like if you would just went ahead and dip it, it would have fell right off the stick and it would not have been pretty, okay? So after I dipped all these, I originally wanted to make them all drizzle, just straight up chocolate with a little bit of drizzle, because you cannot go wrong with just straight up drizzling. And I had this beautiful classic look in my head, you guys. Like, look at it. I was doing my thing, drizzling. I was like, okay, this is about to be popping. I can't wait to post them on my Instagram, you know. And here I go, still drizzling or whatever, living my best drizzling life. Look at that. You cannot tell me nothing about my drizzle. And then this happened. I was so fucking devastated. But I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna fucking roll with the punches. You know, God told me that motherfucker had to be dipped in half. So I made another one. And that's how I ended up doing it, you guys. It came out super cute. And let me know if you guys try to make some bananas because of this video. They were so fucking bomb. And yeah, that's how you make some chocolate covered bananas. It was easy as fuck. Bye.